Uyo, permission ng ayaw. So what's up guys, and welcome back sa ating vlog. Medyo matagal na rin tayong hindi nakapag-post at nakapag-vlog. Naghahanap pala kami ng kainan. Gusto namin yung mga unlimited. Dito yung nakita naming unli.
Yung Frappe House.
Gusto namin i-try yung dessert pero not sure because you are not really liking of Filipino dessert.
It's just it's very sweet for me and I get nauseous so fast. And it's coffee also. I don't drink coffee. I don't really want. I think I will just end up like throwing up or something because I really get nauseous.
But this is worth it when after we eat, no?
Yeah, it's really worth it.
It's
but
really
for me
worth
personally, it's not worth it.
Yeah.
For you, maybe it's worth it. Honestly.
So kung gusto niyo ding mag-try ng unli na mga dessert, guys, visit na din kayo dito.
But guys, look, me and Olea is matching. Do you see it? Film me ba? Film me.
Olea, Olea.
Okay, let's go baby company.
Before pala tayo maghanap ng pagkain, guys, bili muna tayo ng snack ni Olea kasi naubusan na siya ng snack at paborito niyo rin talaga yung snack. Si Olea. Uyo, permission ng ayaw.
Look at that.
Bully ant, no? Ira?
Wait, I will show you, Ira. Wait.
Going na tayo sa baby company, guys, para bili lang tayo ng snack. Yun ang bibili natin. At pagkatapos yan, maghahanap na kami ng pagkain ni Ira. Siguro ako, guys, kakain kami ng ate ko. Doon kami sa Smallville kasi gusto kong kumain ng sangyup. Kasi bulking tayo ngayon. Yeah. Pero si Ira siguro hindi na siya sasama kasi ang tagal natin matapos. 2 hours kasi tayo matapos kumain. Kaya kami lang siguro ng ate ko yung pupunta. No?
You never stop eating.
Yeah, of course, you need to make it worth it because you pay a lot.
It's not a lot.
No, still. So, ayun guys, tipid lang din kasi ang ganda din dun sa mga sangyupsal kasi 200 nyo guys, only sangyup na.
But now we're gonna buy Olea snacks. Her favorite snacks.
Kita namin yung favorite snack at recommend din namin to na gamitin nyo, no? Recommended for them to use that snack to their baby, no?
Yeah, Momo. It's very famous.
Yeah, Momo. It's really good guys. It's a lot of flavor. So, wala pala silang available yung num-num na snack ngayon guys. Hanap siguro kami sa iba na out of stock. Ang dami kasing bumili-bili doon kasi ang sarap at worth it din talaga yung price niya. Ang mura lang. Kaya hanap tayo ng ibang store.
The Momo is not available right now. So I guess we just have to order that one. Because I really love that.
Hindi available yung mamam. Kaya hindi siya available guys. Ang dami kasing bumibili nun. Kaya balik na lang tayo dito next time. Dito na muna kami kakain. Nag-mix and match lang ako sa Jollibee guys. Kasi dun tayo sa Anli Sangyup mamaya mag-bubunol fight. Kaya si Ira wala siyang nahanap na iba. Kaya dito na lang siya sa Burger King. Dito na lang siya na-end. Eat guys, Ira.
So we just order.
So what did you order?
I ordered an ice blended mixed berry with cocoa and ice cream. That is my favorite.
This one, no?
No, it's not like that.
So nag-order muna siya dito sa Shirty.
Are you recording? Hi! Okay guys, so I just buy earrings for Olea. They are very beautiful, pink.
What color?
Pink.
Pink color guys at exit na kami dito sa SM.
It's like this.
Hypoallergenic.
Yeah, because that is what you should buy for a baby. Hypoallergenic.
Yeah. So papunta pala kami sa Smallville na kasi dun magmumukbang na ako ng sangyup. Si Ira busog na busog pa daw siya kaya at mag-grocery din tayo ngayon guys kaya samahan nyo na lang kami sa araw natin ngayon at tara check natin yung sangyup if sulit ba. Batang pasaway. You are batang pasaway?
What does it mean?
Like, pasaway, like annoying child.
Tayo.
Tama ba guys? Annoying child, batang pasaway. So tara. Samgipsal.
Kami ka-guess from ano play.
Isa lang. Let's go. Ayaw natin, kadagan na kayo. Malia, you're learning chopstick? Bigyan ko kinis sa akin. Dala yung sige. Ano ba? Well, the money is going to